Make a great choice today with
The 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote trunk release, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, traction control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.